Hello and welcome back to Life with Tontemon. Today I'll show you how to draw and paint a bonfire scene in worldly tribal art form. So stay tuned till the end as I'm going to share few facts and information in this tutorial. So let's begin. As I have already mentioned that I'll draw a bonfire scene in worldly art form. So I have already drawn the border lines, as borders will enhance the beauty of the picture. I'm using camel oil pastel colors here. At first, I'll color the background of the painting and then blend them with the help of a tissue paper. I'll show two techniques of blending the colors here. In the first method, you can directly apply the colors and blend them, and in the second method, you need to apply white as the base color and then apply the colors which you want to blend. The second technique gives a little different texture while blending the colors. I prefer the second technique over the first. After blending the colors, I have outlined the figures with pencil. Then I am using black acrylic color to paint them. I have not used any medium in the color, rather using them directly. In worldly art, people and animals are represented by two inverse triangles joined at their tips. The upper triangle depicts the torso and the lower triangle depicts the pelvis. Now I'll paint the musical instruments and the earthen pot with black. I'm using white acrylic color to put some patterns and detailing on the figures and instruments. The Worli paintings are among the finest examples of folk arts in India. As I have already mentioned in my previous video that the Worli culture is centered around the concept of Mother Nature, and elements of nature are often focal points depicted in Worli painting. They greatly respect nature and wildlife for the resources that they provide for life. These paintings use a set of basic geometric shapes like a circle, a triangle and a square. These shapes are symbolic of different elements of nature. The circle and the triangle come from their observation of nature. The circle represents the sun and the moon, while the triangle is derived from mountains and pointed trees. In contrast, the square appears to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. Then I'll use pastel colors for the bonfire. Finally, I'll color the borders and complete the picture by adding different patterns on it with acrylic color. If you want to know more about this folk painting, then do watch the video on Dev Chalk in Worldly Art. I'll put the link in the description box below and also in the I button. I hope I was able to provide you as much facts and information as possible related to this painting as I had promised in my previous video. If you enjoyed watching it, then please like and share it with others. Consider subscribing to my channel for more such interesting videos. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any video. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.